FTP is one of the earliest Internet protocols developed and is still used today to perform the download and upload files between the computer and the FTP client FTP server. An FTP client is an application that can use the FTP commands to an FTP server, while the server is a Windows FTP service or daemon that runs on a computer that responds to commands from an FTP client. FTP commands can be used to change the directory, change the mode of delivery between binary and ASCII, evocative of a computer file to the FTP server, and download files from an FTP server. Okay, this is the tutorial build FTP server and client. Please follow the steps. Good luck, hopefully useful for you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I want to describe both the using FileZilla and build FTP using the FileZilla. FileZilla server. Before you using and installing the program, you can search in your browser to FileZilla server and FileZilla client. FileZilla have two programs, FileZilla server and FileZilla client. Okay, FileZilla server download. For downloading the FileZilla, okay, click the FileZilla server. Is specification about Windows. Download that. Okay, you must download the FileZilla client. Yes, under that, search and find. Okay, number one, FileZilla client download. To downloading the FileZilla. Okay, click download now to downloading programs. Is specification Windows. Waiting a few minutes for download. Okay, after download, you can installing first FileZilla server. Double click. Yes, this is license agreement. Please review the license terms before installing. You can click agree. This is just components, just with feature of FileZilla server. Okay, standard of installing is standard. Check in. Okay, click next. This is install location in C program files. Okay, click next. Next. Okay, you start the startup settings. Select startup behavior for FileZilla server. Example, install a service started with Windows default. Okay, set server after setup complete. This is part of the admin interface of FileZilla. Okay, click next. Okay, select startup behavior for FileZilla installing. Waiting a few minutes for installing. Okay, installing is complete. You can click close. Yes, click close. Okay, this is box connect to server. This is server address of the FileZilla server. Okay, click OK. Okay, you login now. Login on. You in directory the FileZilla server. You can setting First, you add user account. Example, Manajemen, Infomatika, B. After you enter the key, click None, OK. Enter using the password, tag, enter your password, example 1, 2, 3, OK. Start folder, this is the folder you can transfer to client and you upload. Click add start folder. Yes, you're choosing the file or folder you can transfer to client and you must upload now. Example comments. So click OK. Okay, click OK. Start filter. Speed limit, IV filter. Okay. Click OK. Okay. You done sending account settings. You finish and you must setting one more. Okay. Click security settings. Missing tag 1, 2. After click OK. Okay, you're sending settings. Your setting is good. Okay. You can check FileZilla server, right install or false in your browser. Enter the IP address of the FileZilla server. Let's install. Okay, click enter. Add user account. Example, Manajemen Infomatika B. Enter username or password 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the directory or file folder you upload from the FileZilla server. You can download or show and edit. Okay, finish your setting FileZilla. FileZilla client. After you download master, you can installing FileZilla client as a FileZilla server. Last, click. Okay, this is license agreement. You can click agree. Yes. Should this application be installed? For example, anyone who uses this computer. This is using all users. Click next and you choose which features of FileZilla client. You select component to install. Tag 1, 2, 3. Click next. Okay, choose the folder in which to install. C. Next. Okay, just start a menu folder for FileZilla. Install. Waiting a few minutes for installing the FileZilla client. After complete, you can click close. Okay, finish. You can start FileZilla now. Yes, this is the FileZilla. You can enter the IP or host the FileZilla server. Example that you enter. Okay, add user account. Example, Manajemen, Infomatika, B, password 123, quick connect. Okay, connection accepted. You transfer. Okay, you successful. And yes, under the right angle, so the directory from the server, and the right side is the content. It's contents of your directory on the client. You can download or just view files set by your server. And okay, thank you for your attention. We would like to thanks may be useful for us all, especially the world of education. Okay, we so sorry and apologize if many errors occur. Please enter a comment and we will feel appreciated if you like this tutorial video.